Hey, I'm Ryan with Warner Discovers, and today I'm going to show you how I set up some really simple uplighting for behind my desk in my office. With a simple Zigbee module and a 12-volt LED strip with a small transformer, super easy to get these things hooked up together. If you've seen one of my other videos where I do a demonstration on how to make a strand, it's basically the same thing, but I'm just going to show you really straightforward what I needed to do just to get it up and running. Here's just a really simple LED strand that I'm going to use for behind my desk. And the power is going to start here at this end, and this is just together with two aluminum channels, and then this just bends around the corner of the desk, and then we have the end here blocked off. So since this is just such an easy strand, I'm actually going to use one of these quick connectors on the end here, and this will just slide in on this side, and then I'll have these wires go into here, and then I'll show you the other side of this. I have this glued down, and you have the three wires going in here on the 12-volt CW. Now we have a Zigbee controller that I've used before, and then this other transformer. Now this is a 2-amp transformer, and because we have such a small run, this should be plenty of power. So all we have to do is hook these three wires into the appropriate V positive, CW, and WW, and super straightforward. Strip the ends off of these, put them in the correct slots, and ready to go try this upstairs. So I got it upstairs, and I can go ahead and plug it in before I put it on the back of the desk. And there we go. So now I can put it on the back of my desk, over here on the back and on the side. So here is the desk set up at night with the uplighting, and it goes through different color temperatures. So right now it's at 100% brightness, and we can drop it down to something totally more cool, even more cool, and then really cool temperature. Put it back to regular, maybe a little bit warmer. And then, of course, you can drop down the brightness, like 20%, and so on. So for that Zigbee module, it was like around $20–25, and then the transformer itself was really cheap. It's just a 2-amp transformer. And then I already had leftover LED strands to use from the previous project that I had. So overall, relatively cheap, especially if you already have LED strands for a fully customizable color temperature supported light. Now also hooking it up through Zigbee, I have control through Home Assistant, so I can hook it up to all the automations and mobile control and everything you would need to do. Now since it was such a simple run, I was able to push the wires in and clamp them down, and it works perfectly. If it was anything more complicated, I'd end up soldering it, but this worked out great. And if you're looking for any of the items that I use in the video, it's all in the description, all Amazon links, super easy to get. I hope this helped anybody looking to do something similar, and let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.